So we've got the shortening in the bowl already. Now we're going to go ahead and turn it on just a little bit, and we're going to get it down in. We're going to go ahead and lift up the bowl, and then we're just going to, just for, a little bit to get the shortening. Let's fix the camera a little bit. There we go, because I stood up. We just want to just put this together a little bit so it gets all smoothed out there. Okay? Just a little bit. You don't want to do a lot. Just enough to get the shortening kind of work together. And then you're going to add your oil. And that's going to be 1 cup of oil. Your canola oil or vegetable oil, whatever you're going to do. You're going to put that in there just like that. And then you're going to go ahead and you're going to lift that up, and you're going to just kind of let that blend together also. And you want to scrape the sides of your bowl. And you may want to turn it up just a little bit to get it going a little bit faster. And if you find that it's not stirring in, like I said, it's kind of an older mixer. It's seen a lot of use. Get your spatula out here and just kind of go down the sides, scrape down the sides with your spatula and get that down into the oil. Okay? Yeah. And scrape off your spatula. All right. Go ahead and lift that up again. Get that blended together a little bit, the oil and the shortening together. Okay. Then you're going to turn it off. And then you're going to add your flour. Your 1 cup of flour that I have measured out here. And you can just spoon it in, just like that, all at one time. Like I said, it's easier to have the kind of mixers that the heads lift. So you're going to go ahead and just start out slow so the flour doesn't poof out. And just gently keep mixing it, and then turn it up. You want it to be kind of fluffy. It'll be kind of a white fluffy mixture. Let me take you over here and show you. Sure that it gets all incorporated together, and want to let that mix for just a little bit, not a long time. And so it looks kind of like it's going to be together. It looks kind of like an icing, like a powdered sugar butter icing. And so you're done with that. Take your beater out. And it's going to look like this. See? Let me get this. See, it's going to be a nice fluffy consistency like this. Okay? And then you're just going to store it in a lid tight container. And I keep mine in the refrigerator. And so every time when when I'm baking and I need to put it in my pan, then I grab a piece of paper towel, or I use a little brush, and you just get down in there and in your container and just put it in your pan, and that not real super thin, medium. Just go ahead and put that grease in your pans. And like say this pan here, you're gonna go ahead and just take your paper towel. You want to go on the sides like this, up inside your pan, and you want to go ahead and get the bottoms like this. And even in see these little cracks along here, you want to make sure you have the shortening or the grease in that crack right there. No need to use parchment. Isn't that great? And then you just pour your cake batter in and you bake it. And then when you go to take your cake out of your pans, you just tap it a little bit and it just falls right out of the pan. So I want you guys to use it, and I want you to tell me in the comments if you've used it and you like it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We're going to have some more fun things coming up, and I think it'll be worth the watch. And go ahead and like my video, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.